Hello, buongiorno. Today I will be explaining the ins and outs of the exciting country of Italy. This will be helpful for your recruitment trip to Italy. New students will feel welcomed and at home with you. This presentation will provide tips and information that will show you how friendly the Italian culture is. Greeting in Italian. Italy is an enthusiastic country, so saying hello means everything to an Italian. They love to see you and love to greet you hello. Buongiorno is the English equivalent to hello, good day. Buonasera is what you would say to someone in the evening. Each are typically accompanied by a handshake and a smile. People in Italy will greet you in passing, when you come into a room or a store, and even when you just glance over at someone. They are a very welcoming group of people, so being welcoming in return will allow the potential students to feel comfortable with you. Communication. Italian is the language of Italy. They speak very loud and very fast. Confidence is key. Different regions of Italy have different dialects of Italian, so it is common for Italians from different regions to be unable to talk to one another. A large population of Italians speak English, so this will help you if you cannot speak Italian. Italian people appreciate when you attempt to speak their language, so learning a few phrases will help your case in making them feel more welcome and cared for. Personal space. Italians don't require a lot of personal space. In America, it is typical to respect others and stay a fair distance away. In Italy, what is personal space? When people first greet each other, it is common to grab each other's arms and backs for an extended period of time. Close friends and family often kiss each other's cheeks to say hello. Italians are very open to talking to new people and love to get to know others, like familia. This is important for you to know because it is much different than an American personal space. Being more up close and personal will allow students to feel like they are talking to one of their own, and this will make them more apt to wanting to come to University of Idaho. Business trips. Punctuality is not a priority to Italians. They like to take their time, so being patient with your counterparts will do wonders for your trip. Respecting their time and the amount of time they will take will allow you to be respected by them as well. Flexibility is important. Looking professional is a huge priority in Italian culture. They are huge fashion icons throughout the world, so it is important to look presentable and well put together. Formal attire is expected during business meetings, so this is important to note when you are giving a presentation. Gift giving is not common, so you will not have to provide large, extravagant gifts like you would in some different cultures. They will most likely give you a small token of their appreciation after a trip. This shows their hospitality and appreciation. Italy will be a great destination for your recruitment getaway. Their culture is hospitable and welcoming, so bonding with the students will create a very personal experience for you. Look out for cues from the locals to draw you in for a handshake, a hug, or a kiss on the cheek, and don't fret if they are not on time.